Are you ready to embark on a thrilling online adventure where a few clicks can lead to real earnings? Join us on a journey to discover an innovative money-making strategy that promises $5 or more in less than 30 seconds. In this digital age, opportunities to boost your bank account are just a click away. So, fasten your seatbelt and get ready to explore a world where your passion for gaming and the power of online communities unite to create a win-win scenario. Welcome to the exciting realm of easy earnings. Step 1. Introducing Twitch.tv. To embark on this money-making journey, start by opening your web browser and typing Twitch.tv into your preferred search engine. Click on the top search result, which will take you to the Twitch website. This platform is renowned for its extensive array of videos and channels, covering a wide range of content. However, for the purpose of this strategy, we'll be focusing on the Fortnite category, a gaming niche that boasts an impressive following of over millions of fans. Step 2. Immerse yourself in Fortnite. Once on the Twitch website, navigate to the Browse button at the top of the page. Here, you can explore different categories and discover a multitude of videos available on the platform. Concentrate your attention on the Fortnite category, which stands out as one of the most popular gaming sections. Within this category, you'll find a wealth of videos featuring skilled gamers and creators showcasing thrilling gameplay, strategies, and engaging commentary. Step 3. Visit Okiio. Now, let's transition to the next phase of your money-making journey. Head over to Okiio, a user-friendly website designed explicitly for earning money by watching videos. To get started, register for a free account, which will grant you access to a plethora of income-generating opportunities. Step 4. Shorten your Twitch links. One of Okiio's distinctive features is its URL shortening functionality. To make use of this, simply copy a video link from Twitch.tv and paste it into Okiio. With a quick click, you can shorten the link. This shortened link becomes the key to your money-making endeavor, as you'll earn money each time someone clicks on it. Step 5. Earning with clicks. Okiio rewards you for every click on your shortened link, with the payment amount varying based on the visitor's country. For instance, a click from Germany might earn you $4, while one from the United States could bring in $4.10, and a click from Australia might result in a $5 payout. This method's global appeal means that individuals from all around the world can use it to generate income. Step 6. Multiple payment options. As your earnings pile up like treasures in a digital chest, Okiio stands as your trusty treasure map, guiding you to a wealth of payment options. Picture it as a dazzling bazaar where you can choose your preferred currency, from the familiar embrace of PayPal to the enigmatic allure of Bitcoin. It's like having a buffet of financial choices, ensuring that accessing your hard-earned loot is as convenient and straightforward as your journey to earn it. So, whether you're a modern-day digital nomad or a seasoned financial wizard, Okiio has your back with a payment option that suits your style. Step 7. Engaging your audience. To streamline your path to earnings, you must visit ChatGPT and ask it to make a catchy description for you on a Fortnite video. You can then use this script to share your favorite Fortnite videos with a diverse global audience. Step 8. Exploring PCGamer.com forums. For an exhilarating voyage filled with both exposure and earning potential, plunge into the vibrant community thriving at forums.pcgamer.com. Here, amidst a myriad of discussions, Fortnite reigns supreme, a kingdom of captivating interest. Imagine yourself as an intrepid explorer, delving into these conversations not merely as a participant, but as a storyteller and a true Fortnite aficionado. Let your passion for Fortnite shine like a beacon, and in this dynamic community, you won't just be another member, you'll be a revered guide, a cherished companion. Step 9. Share your shortened links. Leverage the power of the script you have got from ChatGPT, like a secret tool in your digital arsenal. It's your golden ticket to sharing those shortened links with the forum's avid users. As you engage in discussions and breathe life into the community, think of yourself as a skilled magician subtly revealing the wonders of Fortnite through your artfully crafted template. With every post, you're not just a forum member, you're a storyteller, enticing others to embark on an epic gaming adventure. Each click on your links becomes an invitation to a world filled with action, strategy, and excitement, a journey they won't want to miss. So, wield that script like a masterful storyteller and let the Fortnite magic unfold. Step 10. Watch your earnings soar. Each click on your links within the forum isn't just a click, it's a gateway to potential earnings, creating a win-win scenario where you profit, and curious viewers discover exciting Fortnite content. By harnessing the immense user base of forums.pcgamer.com, you're not just unlocking exposure, You're opening the door to an entire universe of Fortnite enthusiasts hungry for thrilling gameplay, expert strategies, and jaw-dropping moments. It's like setting up your own digital treasure chest, and every click is a step closer to unlocking its riches. Stay tuned, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.